Hey guys, I feel like it's been a while. I keep like promising myself that I'm gonna be making more videos and then I like procrastinate making them. But today I'm so excited for the project I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I haven't made it yet or anything, like I'm gonna be making it with you guys. I want to make a summer tote bag. I've seen them all over my Pinterest. I'll put some pictures up on the screen right here, but they're literally all so freaking cute. And I have this leftover like brown yarn. I forgot which project it was from, but I think it's a good enough of amount words. I think it's a good amount to be able to make the bag. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'll kind of like talk you through it a little bit, guide you through it a little bit. I'll grab my camera stand, flip the camera so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, everything I'm gonna be using, I think I'm gonna use a 4.5 millimeter hook. This is just the yarn, like nothing special. I don't know what size yarn it is. Scissors, you're gonna need some scissors. And I'd say maybe grab a needle for some sewing in some ends. Whoop, I dropped it. But yeah, grab a needle in case. And then I'm also gonna be using this to share measurements with you guys in case it's not like clear how many rows I did. But yeah, I'll measure and I'll let you guys know as I go. But yeah, that's really all you're gonna need, and I'm just so excited to have a cute little summer tote bag. Okay, so I might have broke my camera stand in the process of trying to set it up, but I'll try to explain as best as I can. So yeah, super sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna start off the bag by chaining. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna chain, but I'm gonna chain like a good amount. I'm just gonna start with like a slip knot around my hook, and then I'm just gonna chain. I don't really know. Okay, I finished chaining. I'm gonna like measure it and let you guys know how much I chained. Okay, I chained about 12 inches, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna chain one extra, and then I'm gonna go into the next stitch and start making single crochets down that chain. And I'm just gonna repeat making one single crochet into each chain until I get to the end of the chain. Okay, I just finished crocheting down the chain, and as you can kind of see, it might be curling up. Just like don't mind that, that'll go away. But now I'm just gonna go back down the chain on the other side. I don't know how to explain this, but basically, if you can kind of see the top of that, you're gonna go into the top of that and then just continue making single crochets. And I'm just going to do that along the entire bottom of the chain until I get to the end area where we started. Okay, I finished crocheting back down the other side of the chain. And now I'm going to just single crochet into the first single crochet we made. From here, I'm just gonna keep single crocheting until I have like the bottom single crocheted part, like the height of that I want. And when I come back and you'll see how much I have done, I'll like measure it and tell you like the thickness of it, or like the height of it. I think the height of it. Hey guys, so this is a little update. This is the progress that I've made on just doing rows of single crochets. So this could be like the bottom of the bag, and then I believe it's around like an inch. Okay, it's closer to 2 inches. So this is 2 inches of like build up from single crochets. And now I'm gonna start on the more holy part of the bag. So for that, I am going to chain 2 and then skip, actually you know what, I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna skip 1 single crochet and then go into the next stitch with a double crochet and double crochet just like that. So now we got a little loop, chain 1, skip 1, and then double crochet into the next single crochet, and we're just gonna make that all around. Okay, I started the next row of like the gap stitching, and basically all I did is I just went into the gap, did my double crochet, and then chain 1 and just repeat that. Go into the gap, double crochet, chain 1. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until I have my desired length of the whole gappy part. Okay guys, it's a few days later. I look really tired right now, but last night was, to say the least, super long. But I have made quite a lot of progress on the bag. So this is what it's looking like. The measurements for the amount of like double crochet stitches I did for the rows is around 9 inches. You of course can make it longer or shorter depending on like what you want, but then I did just start doing a row of single crochet around, and I'm actually still doing 1 more row. So in total I've done 2 rows of single crochet on top of the double crochet stitches now, and then after that I'm going to tie off and then start with the handles. So yeah, I'm just going to continue single crocheting, and then I'm going to tie off. And for the handles, I think I might just reattach my yarn to where I want the handle to start on the bag, chain as many as I want, connect it to the other side, and then build up and do single crochets like back and forth until I have like the thickness of my handle. That's not really helpful, but I'm just gonna keep going, and yeah. Okay, so I just tied it off, and this is what the entire bag is like looking like. It looks pretty good so far. This is the amount of yarn I have left, and this will probably be enough. I do have more like a similar color, not the exact same, but I think this will be enough. So now I'm just going to kind of like measure out where I want the handles to start and end, and then I'm going to place a stitch marker on both sides of like where I want the handles to start. So there, and then one right here. Just like that. And now I'm gonna go into that stitch where I place the stitch marker, and I'm gonna attach my yarn, and I'm just gonna start chaining. And I'm gonna chain as many as I want to like be the handle and then reach the other side. Okay, this is how much I chained. I'm gonna like measure it real quick because I didn't want to count the chains. Okay, that's 17 inches of chains. Now I'm going to go into the other stitch marker, and I'm going to slip stitch the chain to it, chain one, and then I'm going to single crochet back down the chain. And basically I'm just going to keep doing that, like going back and forth with rows until I have like the thickness of my handle that I want. I'm probably going to do about 2 rows of single crochets just because I don't want it to be like too thick. But yeah, basically that's what I'm doing for this, and then I'll tie off, and then I'm going to do the other side. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I have one handle done, and I actually like really like how it looks. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing, other side, and then I'm going to be done with this bag. And I'm actually so glad that I'm going to be done with this bag because I have like a list of other things I want to make. So, but this is just like perfect for summer. But okay, time for the second handle. I finished the bag. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. It's a little bright out. My window's open. But it's so cute, and it's literally exactly like what I wanted. Love the color. But yeah, love it. Anyways, I hope the video was clear enough so that you could like try to make your own. I feel like definitely wasn't for like a beginner. You kind of need to know what you're doing. But like I made this pattern up as I went. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys soon. I have another tutorial coming up for one of my like favorite designs. Like I've been making so many of them. But yeah, I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.